at a costume party. He should be. Look, here he is, Boomie. Hi, David.
Hi.
How was the costume party?
It was excellent.
Really?
Yeah.
Were all your friends there?
Well, no.
Well, was there good food?
Not exactly.
I bet everybody loved your bird costume.
Not so much.
Well, then why are you in such a good mood? What happened?
I'm so glad you asked me. I walked into the party wearing this bird costume, and somebody said, "Hey, look at him! He's a bird brain!" Isn't that great? Isn't that great?
They called you a bird brain?
Yeah, isn't that the sweetest thing anyone's ever
David,
said?
I don't think you understand what a bird brain means.
Well, why? What's a bird brain?
Rhyme a diddle time.
Boomie, you tell him.
Birds are sweet and have kind hearts, but if you have a bird brain, you're not very...
Artistic.
No, David. If you have a bird brain, it means you're not very smart.
But that's not true. You have no idea about birds.
I don't?
Sit, listen, and learn.
Okay.
I once met a chickadee who could navigate the Pyrenees. A homing pigeon I once knew could fly to Paris and be home by 2. I've seen the most miraculous birds from Zanzibar to Spain, and I'm proud to say that I have a bird brain.
He's proud to say that he has a bird brain.
David, I didn't mean to insult you.
Is there a wiser song that you could make
Well,
than Looney on a chilly lake?
I guess not.
Do you think you could catch fish
Me?
like an osprey, could I say? You wish.
I guess not.
I've seen the very brightest birds from Zanzibar to Spain.
Yeah.
And I'm proud to say that I have a bird brain.
He's proud to say that he has a bird brain.
Do you think that you could carry a sweeter tune than a canary?
I've met no person that could see as far as the knee, believe you me.
Yes.
If you think that birds are foolish creatures, you must be insane. And never was a brighter beast that soared above the plain. I've seen extraordinary birds from Zanzibar to Spain, and I'm proud to say
He's proud to say
that I have
that he has a
bird brain.
bird brain.
So, birds are not very dumb at all. They're very smart.
You know, David, you're right. I'm glad you told me this. Now I understand that about birds.
You do understand?
I understand.
You know what? I'm really glad you understand, because there's been something I've been meaning to tell you. Deep down, I think that Judy, well,
Yeah?
you're just a little bit of a bird brain yourself.
Thanks, David.
No problem.
I'm a bird brain?
Yeah. Just kidding.
Here, David.
Sing and play along with Judy and David's Boombox at judyanddavid.com.